To clean your CL dish machine, press the power button on the touchscreen to turn the machine off. Once the display is powered off, open the doors. Pull up the drain lever to drain the tank. Some machines have more than one tank. Wait for the machine to finish draining to continue cleaning. Clean off any debris from inside machine walls using a hose with a spray nozzle. Flush all debris toward the strainers. Clean debris from the back of the doors, in between the doors and chamber, and around the door seal of the chamber. Unlatch the upper wash arms and rotate down, then slide sideways to release the wash arms from the rear manifold and bracket and allow them to drain into the wash tank. Rotate the lower wash arms up, then slide sideways to release the wash arms from the rear manifold and bracket. Then open the wash arm sliders and thoroughly flush the wash arms in a sink. If needed, use a toothpick to remove any obstructions in the nozzle. Remove all scrap baskets and strainer pans, and empty any debris into the trash. Do not strike strainer pans or scrap baskets on solid objects to dislodge debris. Wash and rinse the strainers and baskets thoroughly in a sink. On ASR machines, empty the ASR basket and wash and rinse it thoroughly in a sink. Remove the standpipe and clean the pump intake strainer on the bottom of the standpipe or at the bottom of the tank. Remove the curtains and thoroughly clean and rinse them in a sink, allowing them to dry at the end of the day. Thoroughly clean and flush the dishwasher interior with a hose with a spray nozzle, and remove any remaining food soil with a cloth or soft brush and mild cleanser. Visually inspect the bottom of the wash tank for any debris. Do not allow food soil to accumulate on the bottom of the wash tank. On ASR machines, be sure to clean out the interior of the ASR box. Wipe down the machine exterior with a soft cloth and mild cleanser. Do not use steel wool, a scouring pad, or abrasive material to clean the machine. Only use products formulated for safe use on stainless steel. Do not spray the exterior or the touchscreen with a hose. Use a standard screen cleaner or microfiber cloth to clean the touchscreen. To reassemble the machine after cleaning, replace the standpipe, strainer pan, and scrap basket. If equipped, replace the ASR basket. To replace upper wash arms, rest the rear extension on the rear hanger with the open end facing the manifold. Slide the arm onto the manifold, then rotate the arm upward so the front latches in place. Repeat the procedure for the lower wash arm, lowering the front into position. Be sure all wash arm sliders are in the closed position. Replace the curtains. A label on the upper door frame indicates the correct location to hang each one. Leave the doors open to allow the interior to air out and dry.